Welcome back. Continuing the news, residents of St. Catherine and Clarendon continue to complain about reduced business hours due to the state of public emergency. Now, our newsroom has received complaints about the closing times for gas stations in particular. Now, the people believe some more leniency should be extended with this service for later opening times. But speaking with our news team recently, Councillor for the Denbigh Division, Joel Williams, was strident in his view on how residents should receive the cutoff times.
We can't have our cake and eat it. We can't be saying that crime is high and the government must find the answer to the problem. But when we ask you to give up a little of your right in terms of whether you have to close the business a little bit earlier, we know that there are going to be cuts in your profit margin. But you must be prepared to give something for the greater good of the country. And that is my bottom line. I am prepared to give up some of my right in order to get the Jamaica that I want tomorrow. And I'm asking on all well-thinking Clarendonian, and ultimately Jamaica, to look on it from that point of view.
Now, the local political directorate in Clarendon says a meeting is to be held with business operators in the parish soon to address the concerns. In the meantime, residents are being advised of the new opening times for businesses in St. Catherine and Clarendon. They are as follows: clubs and fast food outlets 7 a.m. to 9 p.m., bars 7 a.m. to 8 p.m., gas stations 6 a.m. to 9 p.m., supermarkets and shops 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., pharmacies 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., churches 6 a.m. to 9 p.m., and any other public space 9 a.m. to 7 p.m.